let's introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Christopher.
So Christopher is going to be my sous chef, and today we'll be making
Puff puff.
Yeah, puff puff. This is my flour. So let's start. The recipe for my delicious and amazing puff are all-purpose flour,
Milk,
sugar,
nutmeg,
lukewarm water, egg, and most importantly, your yeast. Now we're going to combine all dry ingredients. Time for us to combine the wet ingredients. Pour water, time to mix. So I'm going to cover this up for 45 minutes, then we're going to come back to fry.
guys, make way. Our puff is ready. Make way, make way, make way.
So guys, our puff is ready. We are done frying. Everyone at home is going to have a taste of this yummy, delicious puff.